Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Joy. It's another beautiful day. Welcome back to another video. On today's video is going to be a girly haul slash Temu unboxing. But before I get into this video, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes guys, it's gonna be a girly haul slash Temu unboxing. Yeah, because someone reached out to me and said, babes, for some time you've not been doing Temu haul. Yeah, the reason is because I don't have a card to purchase items online. I've been having problems with my card, so I'm trying to rectify it. I don't know why it's taking long, it's taking forever, but I know very soon I'll get it sorted out, or I'll look for another way to get another card. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. You can see we are still in the Christmas mood, still preparing for Christmas. So I just bought some little things here and there that I'll be using. So I just want to share them with you guys. So guys, first I'll be starting from with items that I got from Primark. Yeah, though they are not much, just little from everywhere. So first are these first nail glues. Comes like so, two in one pack for €1.50 each. So I got two packs. But lately I've been obsessed with press on nails. So these ones that I'm wearing, the nails I'm wearing right now from Primark. You can see them looking so cute. So you can see them like so, looking so cute. So that's it for this. So I got two of the glues for €1.50. The next are these leggings from Primark. They come like so, in a beige color and a black color. So this one is written Los Angeles, USA on it. So this one I got for my little girl because she loves leggings so much. So I actually like this one. It has elastic band on the waist. The quality is good, not bad, not one of those very thin leggings. It's not that thin, it's not thin, it's not thick, it's in between. It's cute, it's okay for the weather, not too thin, not too thick, and the fabric doesn't look cheap at all. So like so I got this for my little girl. Let's move to this storage boxes. I think in my last video I showed one. So I'm trying to like doing some organization in my house lately because there's too many stuffs here and there. I got two of these. So this one comes like so. It's shorter than the one I showed in my previous video. So this one will be going under my bed because I have a canopy bed. So I'll be using this one to store stuffs under my bed. So I got two of these. So this one's like so. So next I'll move to Primo. What I got from Primo. So I got this lip oil like so. So it comes two in one. Lip plumping oil. Then this one is got hot shot and ice shot. So they come like so. So let's see what's on the inside. So see, the packaging looks so good. Big shot. So it comes like so. Like so. I have the pink one and the blue one. The pink one is the hot shot and the blue one is the ice shot. So is like so. I don't know if you can see anything. Like so. Let's see what it's like on the lip. So cute. Smells good. Smells sweet. So can you see that? Like so. So that's it for the lip oil from. So I got this one both for €5. So that's it for this. The next I got this body scrub, this kiwi body scrub from Douglas. Yeah, this one is from Douglas. Smells like kiwi. Looks so cute. So I'll be trying this one. The last one I got from Primark. I loved that one so much. The coconut body scrub I got from Primark. I loved it so much. So I just want to like try so many different things on my skin now. So I'll be trying this one. I hope it's good because this one is kiwi, and I believe kiwi should be good for the skin. So I'll try this and see what comes out of it. For this one, I can't remember how much I got. Maybe €2 thereabouts from Douglas. This lip gloss actually have a hot sensation, like it's burning my lips sensation. Yeah, so that's it for this. The next we'll move to what I got from Zara. Yeah, I got myself a perfume from Zara. Actually, I've been using this perfume. I love it. Smells so good. So I ran out of the one I was using before, which is this one. It's remaining like so, so I had to like purchase another one. So I love the scent. Smells so sweet. So I got this one this time. So smells so sweet. Got this sweet smell. So that's it for the perfume. I got this for €19, 95 cents. Let's just say €20 thereabout. So that's all for random stuffs I got. So now let's move to unboxing what I got from Temu. Temos, yeah. I'm trying to cover my address here. So it comes like so. It's just a very small pack. Voila. So let's start from this. What's this? What did I order here? Glass. What's this? Is this my pack? I don't know what this is, but let me save it for the last because I'm not too sure of what this. Ah, okay. I think I know now. I now know. I just put glass, so I was a bit confused. Okay, so this one comes like so, packed like so, like so. So what we have here is a phone protector. Come two of them like so. Like so, I don't want to take everything out. But anyway, let me bring one out because I don't want to dirty the screen. It's a phone protector. Comes like so. I don't even know who this one is for. I don't know if it's for my phone or for my daughter's phone. So okay, this one should be for my daughter because it's for my daughter's phone. Okay, that's it for this. I can't remember how much, so I'm not saying the prices, or maybe I'll put the price on the screen later. The next is a phone case. So this one comes like so. Blue color, then it comes with this like crystal design on it. So cute. I don't know if you can see it well because the lighting here is bad. So that's it for this. And next is another phone case. It's so hard. So this one comes like so. Comes to the pack looking like there's a hole in the middle, but there's no hole in the middle. It's like so. It's a plain transparent with black wrapped around it. So here we have another phone case. This one comes like so. These beautiful butterflies flying around. So cute. Huh? Like so. So let's see what next. This, I don't know what this is, but I think it's a leaf. I don't know where this one is going for decoration. Okay. So it's a leaf. Comes like so. Then a battery to connect. So this is definitely for decoration. I don't know why my daughter picked it, so maybe I'll be putting it in the kids' room to decorate somewhere in their room or somewhere around the house. It comes like so. So the prices, I think I'll list them somewhere here. The next are these cutie nails. I'm like so cute. Comes with some crystal design in some of them. So it comes so cute like so. So this, I don't know how many comes in. I don't know if I'm seeing 20 pairs here. It's supposed to be 24, not 20, but I'm seeing 20 here. So I don't know why 20. I think it comes like so, 20 pairs. So that's it for this. The next, oh, this one is super long. This one's also false nails. So cute. These ones are the longer version. This one comes with like trying to check how many it's inside. I don't know how many is inside, but it comes like so beautiful, so cute. I think I order two of this. Yeah, I think I ordered two of this because this one is same with this one. I think I took two of this because I'm not seeing no much difference there. So that means I took two of these ones. So these ones are the same. So next, this one. This one also comes with a crystal. So cute. Like so. And I'm seeing like a unicorn something here. But I'm not seeing any unicorn design on the inside. But so maybe that's the logo. So this one, how many does it come? It's not written here. So probably 20 or 24 inside. I'm trying to like get the number, but the number is okay. It's 24. This one comes 24. Let me see. They wrote the rest up. No. Okay, so this one comes 24 in a pack. So you can see them all looking so cute. So cute. So guys, this is all for today's girly video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want more of the girly videos, please let me know in the description box below. The description box? No, in the comment section. Sorry. So if you want more of the girly videos, let me know in the comment section. Whatever you guys want me to bring up, let me know so that I can bring more. I love you guys. For those of you that have been following me till now, I want to say a very big thank you. We're in Christmas season already, so I hope you guys get all the joy you desire for the holiday season, the Christmas season. You make the best out of it. So I wish everybody a very healthy life. Be happy, and let's roll into the next year full of joy. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please show some love and support by clicking on the like button. Put your comment down below. Feel free to share. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.